If you are still struggling to get clients, it may be web design, SMMA, or SaaS, this video will solve all of those problems. So have a look at my ads account, and I'm literally getting each lead. So this is my new ads I started running today. I got 2 leads for just 50 cents. Not even $1, just 50 cents. And 5 days ago, with this ad, right now I have 7 leads for $11 each lead. When I started running this ad, I got my first lead for 20 cents, and I turned that 20 cents into $2,000 setup fees and $300 in a monthly recurring revenue hosting fee. So in this video, I'm just not going to show you how to set up the ad account. I'm going to also show you how to set up the best ad creatives where people can actually click and fill up the form and turn into lead, and from lead turning into actual paying clients. So as you can see, this is one of my winning ad. I've been getting, I have almost 70 leads, each lead for $13. And the service I'm providing is I sell websites, and I sell free websites with the help of the software called Go High Level, which is a AI website builder, just like Lovable. And not just an AI website builder, we can do lots of other stuff like SMS and email automation, mixed call text pack, calendar booking, payment, and invoices. Literally a business, all the things a business need, we can do with this software. And this is where we prompt the website, and I sell these websites for free and charge them for anywhere from $97, $297 to $497 in monthly recurring revenue. And again, if you want the access to the software, I'll give you a free trial. Link is in the description. And if you sign up with my link, you'll get lots of bonuses, which we're going to talk about in this video. So watch this video until the end. And just to give you a best example, let's say we got 68 leads for $13 a lead. Usually my ad spend for a lead will vary from $5 a lead to $15 a lead. I will not let my ad spend go more than $15. So this is how it goes. If I'm spending $13 for each lead, I'll be getting minimum $97 on hosting fee. So this is the service we provide. So this is the service we provide, and this is the price point. 1-page website, $97, 5-page website, $297 with 2,000 setup fees, 10-page website, $500 with 3,000 setup fees. So this is all the service we provide. So literally, if we can get 1 lead for $13, you can minimum. So the minimum payment is $97. You have 10x the price you have paid for the ads. Let's say somehow you are good at sales skills and you have upsold the 10-page website, $3,000 with $500 on a monthly recurring revenue hosting fee, just with $10 on ad spend. Again, it's not going to just happen magically like this. You need to have a sales skill, you need to have a proper system, and you need to have a proper structure inside your ad account, and you have to have best ad creators. No matter how much you have perfected the ad account, if your ad creatives, the image the people are seeing when they're scrolling, if this is not conveying the services you provide and solving a solution your customers are having, people are not going to click, and you will end up wasting a lot of money. So that's why in this video, we're going to see how to get the best ad creatives to keep the ad spend as low as possible. And the first thing is we can go inside ad library and test out our let's say, so this is our ad library. So this is the free option Meta Ads has itself. So you have to do facebook.com ads/library. That's it. This is the page you will see. So what you have to do is go inside all ad category, all ads, and you search for, let's say, websites. And this is where you see all the website ads other agencies are running for their services. You can have a look at these, or you can just pick what's actually working for me and all of my other coaching members who are smashing their goals, like signing their first clients in their first 3 days. You get the leads, close the clients, that's it. Instead of wasting your time cold calling, cold SMS, cold email, which I'm pretty sure everyone else is doing. If everyone is doing something, no one is going to get clients. That's where we have to step aside and be different and let the clients come to us. So this is the best free option you can do. Go inside ad library and snoop around what other people are doing. If you don't want to do that, and if you want the actual results and what actually helping for me, let's see, we can go with static and videos. Video ads, if you know what you're doing, you can have video ads and you can keep on have this video ads as a perfect winning ads for your agency. But if you're just starting out, just go with static ads. And we can go with 3 different static ads. We can just straight away go with text and comparison with other agency and your agency, and putting the hook as the free website. Or you can go graphic heavy and text low like this. Free professional website. It's catchy, and you have 5-star in Clutch, 5-star in Google, 5-star in Trustpilot. Trust me, no one's gonna have a look at this. Just put whatever you want on the top and start getting clients, and then start getting the reviews. You have to fake it until you make it. The next best thing, actually showing your face so that people can connect with the person itself and start trusting the person, to that clients are not going to work with a faceless Facebook account. Clients will work with another human being. Human being will buy from another human being, not from a faceless account. So that's why the most of you guys doing cold outreach and like you're just like how to say it. And that's why most of you guys who are doing cold outreach like SMS, email, cold DMs, like Facebook and Instagram DMs, no one's going to trust you, and no one's going to buy from you, and no one's going to make the payment. And so this is just the example of the ads, of what I do. I don't do the exact ads I see inside the ad library. So these are the images from the ad library itself. So these are the videos from the ad library itself, some from a bunch of different agencies. And after testing all these ads for my agency by myself for last 3 months, I have came to an best performing ads, which you just saw, 68 leads. Each lead is costing me just $13. And this is how I ended up getting this one lead for 20 cents. So this is the lead. I turned it into $2,000 client and $300 in monthly recurring revenue. And these are some of my actual ads. So these are some of my actual ad videos, which was performing well, but I just switched to just graphic, because the cost per lead was going a bit high with the videos, but not with the statics. So these are some of the statics. These are not my actual statics. I will show you how to get access to my actual statics I'm using inside my Facebook ads. The reason why I'm not showing anything, because I don't want everyone to do the same thing what I'm doing. I don't want to lose my business. And I learned it in a harsh way, because I started showing all of my cold outreach videos and everyone started doing the same thing, even without switching at least some of the script. And I ended up not getting any clients. That was another pivot moment for me to go into running ads instead of just sticking with the cold outreach. And that's how I started testing out with lots of other Facebook ads creatives. So this is the similar kind of ads I'm still running with my agency. Again, you can run with these ads. It's not working for me. Pretty sure it's not going to work for you as well. And that's why inside my community, so this is where you find everything, the full entire video. So this is the ad video. Right now you won't see it. The best way to get access to it, you can either join the community by paying for it, or you can sign up to Go High Level, where we provide our services by prompting the website, which is this software. And this is the website I've built for this 20-cent client, $2,000 and $300 on hosting fee. And it's just a prompt. I just prompted. I didn't even build these website. It just takes around like 30 seconds to build these website after prompting these website. And it's not just for the website. We also deliver all the other services, just like we mentioned before. So all these services is provided by Go High Level. You don't have to do anything. So if you signed up to Go High Level with my link and start paying for your subscription, you'll get access to my community, which is this, where you can get access to the full setup, 40 minutes. I will run you through everything, where you can set up your ads account and ad set and set up your ad budget, all the lead capturing funnels and all the automation which you have to do inside Go High Level to get all the leads inside your Go High Level and trigger the automation where Go High Level will send your leads SMS and email to book a call with you. And you can also do calls. So literally everything you want to know, it's inside this video. And you have the ad creatives, the primary text, headline, description, everything which I have been using, which is inside the community itself. And again, I have started testing out with paid website. I'm not selling free websites anymore. I'm selling paid websites. So these are the paid website ad creatives. The ads you have seen got two leads, and two leads for 50 cents, 7 leads for $10. So these are the new ads. So you can literally get my ads and start running by yourself and start getting leads and start booking everything by making use of my slides. So pretty much everything you need is inside the community, and you don't even have to pay for the community if you sign up to Go High Level with my link. And I want to quickly show you another thing. So this is the guy. So even if you already have a Go High Level account, you can still get access to my community if you're willing to switch your previous affiliate under mine, where you don't have to pay anything. You're just switching a name. That's it. And this guy switched his affiliate under mine because he was affiliated with another YouTuber, a big YouTuber, and pretty much big YouTubers have too many people to handle. And for my case, all of my community members have access to my personal WhatsApp account. So this is how I help you guys to get more leads. He switched his affiliate under mine 5 days ago, and 3 days ago, he got his first lead in his just first day after setting up all of my ads strategy with the UK market. That's it. Pretty simple. You guys may feel like I'm gatekeeping all the information because I have to. If everyone is doing it, no one's going to get client. And if you want to get similar results just like these, sign up to Go High Level with my link or switch your affiliate under mine. If you want to know how to switch, give me a message on Instagram, which is link is in the description. Or if you don't want to bother doing anything by yourself or risk losing your money, because running ads, it's just tricky stuff, and you may end up losing too much money if you don't know what you're doing. And if you want to personalize or work one-on-one with me where I can take care of everything, I will get access to your ad account. I will create your ad sets, make all the changes, put all the title, description, and thumbnails, ad creatives, everything for you. Only thing you have to do is go inside the sales call and close these clients. And if you want to do that, click the first link in the description. I only work with 2 members at a time because it is a huge project which I take under mine. So I don't have too much time if I'm getting too many people to work with me. So 2 people at a time. If I can feel like I can help you, we can start working together and you will get your first client in your first, second, or even third day. You will not go a week without getting your first client. And that's all for today's video. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you want to keep watching these kinds of informational video, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.